All right, this is going to be the first of many instructional videos on how to actually do things with your Promethean board. One of the things that's going to be most useful is to be able to actually go ahead and install all of our Microsoft 365 apps on the Promethean board itself. So what we're going to have is we're going to have our home screen. This is going to be our home screen. Mine's customized. Yours might have the big orange astronaut and things like that on it. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a few things. First thing we need to do is we need to be able to kind of open up our locker. So we can access in one of three places. There's going to be three little caret icons or little arrows on the bottom, on the left, and the right. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the bottom one, or you can hit the big fire icon that's on the actual physical keyboard. But we'll do that. We'll open that up, and we're going to get to our locker. So I'm going to click on locker. And it's going to allow me to actually look at a bunch of different things. But there's going to be an icon that says Promethean Store. We want to click on that. And that's going to go ahead and it's going to open up the Promethean Store itself. This is basically our App Store. Everything on here you have full range to install on your Promethean board. These are not administrator locked down. But what we want to do is we want to go ahead and we're going to actually search for a few things. So we're going to hit the little up, the little magnifying glass, I'm sorry. Up here, we're going to hit search. If this would work. There it goes. And up here, we're going to click on that, and our keyboard should come up. We can move our keyboard up if we need to. And I'm going to just type in Microsoft. And hit the big green arrow. That's our enter. Oh, I misspelled it, but still, we get a lot of different things that we need. I want to go ahead, I'm going to install Microsoft Word for right now. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Word. And we're going to click on Install. It's going to take a moment or so to download the actual file to the Promethean board. Don't worry about the ratings, things like that. There's going to be a lot of things in there that's not quite accurate, but it's going to allow you to go ahead and do that. As long as there's a trusted app in the right-hand corner, we should be good. When it finishes to 100%, it's going to save the app. And then in the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on Install. And then it's going to go ahead and install it. As this runs through, it takes a moment. And when it finishes up, it'll allow us to be able to open up the program. Now with Microsoft Documents, you're going to have to actually go ahead and sign into your roseville.k12.mi.us account. So app install, you have two options, done and open in the bottom right-hand corner. We're going to go ahead and open that up. And what that's going to do, it's going to have a document, allow and continue. I'm going to hit don't remind me anymore because I don't want to be bugged, but I'm going to hit allow and continue. That's just basically saying that it's going to be able to access your account. So we're just going to finish through here. It's going to ask to log in eventually. So all done. Give it a moment. There we go. Configuring Office. And because I've already logged in to my Microsoft 365 account, and I already have OneDrive and everything else already on here, it recognized that I've already logged in already. So it has my thing. If this is your first time downloading one of the Microsoft app suites, it's going to have you guys log into your roseville.k12.mi.us account. It may have you do it once or twice, but it'll figure out that it's all on the same account, and eventually you should be able to have that. And now what we can do is I can go ahead and I can take a look at all the things that I'm going to do, and I can actually take my, for example, my syllabus, and I can open it up right in my Microsoft account, of course. It's not working right here, but I should be able to do that. I can open other documents. I can look at my OneDrive right here, my one that I already have linked. I can look at all these things that I've done before. Here we go. I have different documents, but I can go ahead and I can do the things that I need to do. Biology, for example. Here's my syllabus. I moved it and I organized it. And it'll be able to download it and open it up. And I should have a fully editable version of that. All right. If you have any other questions of how this works or how we go ahead and install other files from the Promethean Store, please let me know, and we'll figure this out later. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.